Welcome to pSolv. In this tutorial, we'll dive into the features of the Needletail project page. After navigating to the page, you will see a quick overview of the total number of projects along with a breakdown of any risks and alerts. Underneath is the search bar that will show all projects with a given string. Double-clicking opens a project, but more options are available by selecting the triple dots under Actions. The first option in this menu is to delete the project, followed by Browse, which opens a Jupyter notebook with the project artifacts. The third option is Export. This downloads the project in a zip file that can later be imported into another instance of Needletail using the import icon in the top right corner. The next two options are Rename and Clone. Then we have Project Preferences. The first section lets you change deployment information and the email address for notifications. The following Publish section shows information on your metadata repository. Currently, Needletail only supports Atlas. The final section has the Spark runtime settings, letting you choose to deploy with Yarn or Kubernetes. After Project Preferences, we have the option to generate code for the project, followed by Deploy, which is used to specifically deploy Needletail pipelines on Kubernetes. The final option, Publish, sends the metadata and metrics from the latest process in the project to the Operations portal. We'll explore this feature in detail in an upcoming video. Thank you for watching. For more detailed documentation, visit the Needletail help page. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our support team via email or phone.